Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first official vlog for 2025. It's a new year and I know that we all have different plans and different goals, but let us just not forget to put God in the center of all those plans and all the goals that we have written down for ourselves for 2025. Let us just keep our plans God centered, because at the end of the day, without God, our plans are nothing. So that is just my little encouragement for everybody throughout the year. And I'm actually about to head on the road to run a little errands. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog.
Confident, oh yes. Walking in God's favor now. I know who I am. Confident. My Kadimade, my Kadimade, my Kadimade best. Anything else it come fi contest. My Kadimade, Kadimade, Kadimade. When God bless me, in my bless me part time. When them a ask me, tell them for ask Christ. Watch them sit down for me name and them not get no likes. Watch them, I watch me, tell them get the behind. In my presence, me call them most high. Satan step aside, cause I gotta provide. In my prayers, if I feel him strength. The Almighty never leave me when me need him help. My Kadima day, my Kadima day, my Kadima the best. So I'm heading to the mall to go run my errands. Um, I don't have a lot of things to do, but I have to do them. So we're going to the mall. The first stop on my to-do list was to go to Wholesale Photos and get some passport size pictures. And I got 4 and I got it for 15 minutes because I wanted to collect them before I left the mall. And this is just a process of setting up to actually take the photo. Me no worry about last Kadima the first class. So my fall on my knees. Demons get me fasting day and night. You know what that me a pray. When me mix up the word it better than DNG. You know what G-O-D, B-I-B-L-E. You know what it guide me. Cover me like shades. My Kadima day, my Kadima day, my Kadima the best. Anything else it come fi contest. My Kadima the presence like a goal me a dig. Holy and pay that tell life for me live. My castle, my case and learn to forgive. Anything I do it to glorify him. First Corinthians 10:31 me a sing. Here all the woman I got by the rhythm. My God, my bigger than me. My Kadima the best. Anything else it come fi contest. My Kadima the Kadima the my Kadima the my Kadima the. So I went to Digicel to pay a bill, but the the machine that you used to pay the bill is down. So I'm going into the variety store close to the supermarket to see if I can get a container that I need here below. It don't look like I have it at all. Let me catch the camera here so I'll fix my hair. It don't look like them have the container. So I guess I just have to go to the supermarket and get what I'm getting out of the supermarket and head back to Wholesale Photos to get my pictures that I just took. I only came in here to get 2 things. This water that I saw is called the hint.
So it's a 0 calorie, 0 sweetener water infused with fruit and try this one as well. This is raspberry and cherry. So I just came to get this. The water is called Hint and dog food. And I'm out of here. That's literally all I came for. I also wanted to try this jalapeno cheese wrap. That's it. Just 3 things. Dog food wrap and water. Alright, so I got all my errands done and I got back my pictures. Them don't look too bad. Them don't look too bad. Them look nice. For passport pictures, they look nice. I am going to head home now. It is now 3:30. Good time. 3:29, 3:30. Good time. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and see you next week for another vlog. Bye guys.
Pressing on, we have to reach a target, we are 90, so no evil can test fire scripture, make it evil start.